how to connect PS4 to laptop with HDMI cable. In this video, I'll show you how to connect PS4 to laptop with HDMI cable. So why HDMI alone does not work? Most laptops only have HDMI output and not input. HDMI output sends video from the laptop to a monitor and not the other way around. Without HDMI input, your laptop can't display the PS4 signal directly. Now, the first option that you have is to use PS4 Remote Play. So this is the easiest and most official method. Download Remote Play from Sony's website and then install and launch the app on your laptop. Sign in with your PlayStation Network account and then turn on your PS4 and enable Remote Play in settings and then head over to remote play connection settings. Connect your DualShock 4 controller via USB or Bluetooth and start streaming your PS4 gameplay to your laptop screen. The second option that you have is to use a capture card. If you want to use HDMI, this is the workaround. Plug your PS4 HDMI into a capture card, connect the capture card to your laptop via USB, and open streaming software like OBS Studio. Add a capture card as a video source, and you'll now see your PS4 screen on your laptop. This method is ideal for recording or streaming gameplay. And that is how you can basically connect PS4 to laptop with HDMI cable.